How to save music from YouTube to your files. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily save your music from YouTube to your files. So first thing what you want to do is simply head over to your YouTube by simply choosing any of your browser. In this case I am choosing my Google Chrome. And so once you're inside here, what you can basically do is just make sure you are signed into your account on your YouTube and simply click on your profile section and head over to YouTube Studio just like this. And you just have to simply select the audio library option under your left section. As you can see, you have to scroll down to find it below here. So once you click on audio library, you will be heading over to this page where you can see a lot of free music, which is a non-copyright music which you can use on your YouTube videos. So you can also use categorize it the music just like this by simply clicking on this filter over here, like your genre, or if you want your duration to be short or long, you can set it, your mood, your track title. You can also give it an artist name. You can also select the song with attribution required and not required. So if you don't want to attribution on your song, you can simply filter out those songs just like this. And as you can see, so you can simply click on this steered button, which you can easily see on your steered section at this section. So once you're inside here, so all you have to do to save this file or save this song on your file is simply head over to the corner of this particular song and simply click on this download, and it will successfully downloaded and installed on your PC local file. So that is how you do it, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.